Hi guys, so in this video we're gonna make this guy walk. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna not want his legs to collide with each other, so you're gonna put this script on this guy. So the script basically just makes the children of this thing not collide with each other. So yeah. Someone asked me to do this, so yeah. Like, this is the script. You can look at it. It's gonna be in the description. So now I'll just show you what it looks like. So we can walk around. Okay. Now we go to animations. We go to this guy, and then I have a walk animation and I have a walk back animation. So basically what you do is you just hit this record button right here, and then you're gonna like just at the start make it like this, then here it's still that, then it goes to 40, then it goes back, and this is just a bounce script that makes his legs like stay in a certain rotation. And then if we go to this one, then it's 0 there, 40 there, 0 there, then that. So yeah, and then walk back is just the same thing except for with minus 40s. Yeah. So then so then to make this work, like to make him walk when you're using the arrow keys and stuff, you're gonna do this. So go into the walk script, make a walk script, and then you need to get the animator, rigid body, you need a jump force, and then you need touch forces, which is just the force that is added when you walk to help him walk. So then you just see if this is axis that I made. So you go to project settings and then input. Then you see I have a horizontal thing and then a vertical thing. So hor and ver, and then yeah. So hor, if it's not 0, then if it's like that, then walk. Like if it's more than 0, then walk. If it's less than 0, then walk back. And then you just add the force to help him walk. And then if you're not pressing any buttons, then it's just gonna be idle, which is another animation that I made. This is it. So I just have the walk back, and the idle. Yeah, and then you just go into the ragdoll and put all the stuff in, like this here and stuff, yeah. So yeah, now it should work. I have the jump force as 100, even though it doesn't really work. I haven't added jumping yet. Then yeah, I put it at 5, but maybe you want it at like 6 or something. I don't know. And then yeah, you can do that. You can walk. And so now I'm gonna make his arms. I'm just gonna separate his arms like lower arm and upper arm. So yeah, this is how you. Oops. Okay. This is gonna be half of what it is right now. So 1.1 divided by 2. Oh wait. So I have to wait. (1.5 divided by 2). Okay, so that's half of it. And then let's move this back here. Okay, so that's pretty good. So yeah, then we're just gonna copy this. So we're gonna do arm dot up, or up arm. This is gonna be down arm. Okay, that's good. So just gonna do the same thing to this. Now I add a hinge joint to connect these things. So here, and then here, they already have hinge joints, and then I just have to connect it to this goes here, and then let's test this now. Okay, so this is making him like lean over, so we're gonna make these like lighter. Make the mass like 0.2, I don't know, Command P. Yeah, and that's good. In the next thing, we're gonna make him be able to grab stuff. So yeah.